Hello, class. Welcome to our second lesson of the year where we're going to go over lesson 8.3, how to find the volumes of cones. So first off, what is a cone? A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base to a point called the apex or vertex. Basically, you start with a circle down here, and then instead of a cylinder where it just goes straight up like this, it starts to taper inwards and it makes more of a triangle figure on top. So since we have a new figure, we're going to also have to find out the new volume formula, and that's what we're going to learn today. In this lesson, we will learn about finding the volume of a cone and identifying what a cone looks like. We will also discuss the relationship between the volume of a cone and the volume of a cylinder. All right, similar to cylinders, we use the same area of a circle formula, except now we're doing 1/3 pi r squared h. So this is practically the same as what we did before, right? But to account for it tapering off, which remember, it does not in a cylinder, we're going to add this 1/3 in front. So the volume of the cone is found using the formula 1/3 pi r squared h. All right, let's start with some practice here. What is the volume of a cone with radius 3 and height 4? Leave your answer in terms of pi. Remember, that means that volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 is going to stay there. We're leaving our answer in terms of pi, so that means I'm just going to leave the pi there. Our radius, it said, was 3, so 3 squared is 9, and our height here is 4. So I have 1/3 times 9 times 4. Well, I'm just going to multiply the 1/3 times 9. 1/3 times 9 is 3. So we get 3 pi times 4. And then lastly, 4 times 3 is 12. So I get 12 pi. Quick review what we did there. I just plugged in my numbers for what I did know here and what I didn't know to start. And then we just multiplied all the way through. Not too bad, right? Okay, so an ice cream cone is filled exactly level to the top of a cone. So it doesn't look like this, but it's filled off basically right here. The cone has a 9-centimeter depth. That's what that looks like. And a base with a circumference of 9 pi. How much ice cream is in the cone? Alrighty, we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi on this one first. So remember, this formula for circumference of a circle is equal to pi times the diameter. So that means our circumference is equal to pi times 9, or so that means that our diameter here is 9. So if our diameter is equal to 9, then that means our radius is equal to 4.5. So now let's go back up to our original problem here. So we got that our volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, or 1/3 times pi times 4.5 squared times 9. Again, I'm going to multiply 9 times 1/3 here. That's going to become 3. So we get 3 pi times 4.5 squared. Let me do that on my calculator very quickly. And that'll be equal to 20.25. So lastly, we just need to multiply 20.25 and 3, and we will get 60.75. So this would be equal to 60.75 pi. And again, it was asking us how much ice cream is in the cone, but really it was just asking for the volume of the cone right here. Alrighty, a couple more slides to go, then I'll let you get back to your day here. So we got some find some missing value problems. I'd like you guys to try these out on your own, and then you could unpause the video and see what I did here. So a cone with volume 462 and height 9. So we want to find the radius here. So this is going to be equal to 1/3 times 3.14 times r squared times 9. So we're going to multiply this all together here. 3.14 times 9 times 1/3. That would be 9.42. So this would be equal to 9.42 times r squared. So now we need to divide both sides of our equation by 9.42. So 462 divided by 9.42 would be equal to 49. And then lastly, the square root of 49 would be equal to 7. So that means here r is equal to 7. Alrighty, this video is running out of time here, so I'm going to go ahead and just get to the last slide here. If you want to do these last problems on your own, you can, or you can ask me in class tomorrow. So just today, we talked about the volume of the cone, and finally, we talked about finding missing values. Don't forget to get that conclusion done and also be ready with those questions tomorrow. Alrighty, everybody.